Talagang nabaliw na talaga ako mag-isip. Kasi nadadala mo talaga yung eksena eh. And he always makes sure na okay ako. Kasi halos hindi po kami gumagamit ng double. And si Derek nagbabantay na po minsan sa monitor. So parang it's really nice to have someone that supports you and cares for you. And I mean, everyone cares for you na parang they made sure na safe kami. Pero syempre iba pa din yung partner mo na nandyan lang sa tabi mo na i-comfort ka, na make sure niya na hindi ako masasaktan talaga. And iba rin yung parang pagpa-uwi kayo na after all the heavy scenes, mapapag-usapan nyo na kamusta yung mga eksena na to, how do you feel about it, are you okay now? Tapos minsan kasi hindi mo rin mabibitawan agad-agad yung emotion na yun. So siya, he's always there to support me and to talk to me, to listen, and I really, really value that.